In the digital era, the internet has become a vast landscape of opportunities for those seeking to make money without the need for substantial upfront investments. Whether you're looking to generate a side income or explore full-fledged online ventures, this guide will navigate you through various avenues, strategies, and platforms to kickstart your journey toward online earnings without any initial financial commitment. Freelancing, monetizing your skills. Leverage your skills to offer freelance services. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect freelancers with clients seeking services ranging from writing and graphic design to programming and virtual assistance. Online surveys and reviews, share your opinion. Participate in paid online surveys and review products. Websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research reward users for providing valuable feedback. While not a substantial income source, it can be a simple way to earn a few extra bucks. Content creation, become a YouTuber or blogger. Start a YouTube channel or blog focusing on your interests or expertise. With engaging content, you can monetize through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Consistency and quality are key to building an audience and generating income. Affiliate marketing, earn commissions. Promote products or services and earn commissions through affiliate marketing. Platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Share a Sale connect affiliates with products to promote. Effective marketing strategies can lead to passive income. Online tutoring, share your knowledge. If you excel in a particular subject, consider online tutoring. Websites like CheckTutors, Tutor.com, and Wisent allow you to connect with students seeking assistance. You can set your rates and schedule. Virtual assistants support businesses remotely. Offer virtual assistant services to businesses or entrepreneurs. Tasks may include email management, scheduling, social media management, and more. Platforms like Time, etc., and Belay connect virtual assistants with clients. Sell stock photos, monetize your photography skills. If you have a knack for photography, sell your photos on stock photo websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Alamy. Each download earns you a commission, making it a passive income stream. Remote work platforms. Explore online job opportunities. Platforms like Remote OK, We Work Remotely, and FlexJobs list remote job opportunities across various industries. Explore roles such as customer support, writing, design, and programming that match your skills. Online courses, share your expertise. Create and sell online courses on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Share your expertise in a specific field and earn money whenever someone enrolls. Quality content and effective marketing are crucial for success. Social media management, monetize your social skills. Offer social media management services to businesses seeking an online presence. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter are powerful marketing tools, and businesses often look for individuals to manage their accounts. Remote internships, gain experience and earnings. Explore remote internships in your field of interest. Websites like Internshala and Remote Interns connect students and professionals with remote internship opportunities, allowing you to gain experience and earn simultaneously. Podcasting, share your voice. Start a podcast on a niche topic you're passionate about. Monetize through sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and listener donations. Platforms like Anchor make it easy to launch and distribute your podcast. Virtual events, host webinars and workshops. Host virtual events, webinars, or workshops on platforms like Zoom or Google Meet. Share your knowledge or skills and charge attendees for access. Effective promotion is key to maximizing participation. Dropshipping, e-commerce without inventory. Start an e-commerce store using the dropshipping model. Platforms like Shopify allow you to sell products without holding inventory. When a customer makes a purchase, the product is shipped directly from the supplier. Cryptocurrency, explore crypto opportunities. Engage in cryptocurrency activities like mining, staking, or participating in airdrops and bounty programs. While the cryptocurrency market carries risks, exploring these opportunities can result in earnings without direct investment. Conclusion: navigating the landscape of online earnings. Embarking on the journey of making money online without investment requires a combination of resourcefulness, dedication, and a strategic approach. Whether you choose freelancing, content creation, affiliate marketing, or other avenues, the key is to remain consistent, continuously improve your skills, and adapt to the evolving landscape of online opportunities. Remember that while some methods may yield quick returns, others may require time and effort to build a sustainable income. It's essential to stay informed about industry trends, optimize your strategies, and be open to exploring new opportunities as they arise. In the vast realm of online earnings, your success hinges on a combination of creativity, perseverance, and a willingness to adapt. As you navigate this digital landscape, may your efforts lead to financial empowerment and personal fulfillment. Happy earning!